public-private partnership is a collaboration between government and private business to fund or build public projects. Let's see how they work. Often abbreviated as a P3, these contracts are used for large infrastructure, like highways, airports, or public transit systems. Huge amounts of capital are required for modern infrastructure. P3s allow the government to tap into private sector expertise and funding. These partnerships are defined by shared risk, long timelines, and strict performance metrics to ensure the project benefits the public. Ever wonder how massive infrastructure gets built without draining the public budget? Let's break down how private partnerships are changing the game for good. Unlike simple construction, P3s focus heavily on the maintenance phase, ensuring the private partner keeps the asset in top shape for decades. Remember, the goal is always to deliver public value more efficiently than a government agency could do alone. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, subscribe for more simple explanations of complex financial topics.